Good afternoon, traders. It is Tuesday, August 30th, 2016, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, we kind of had a funky day today, even though we did make some money. Uh, I called the Dow up for today. I was wrong. It ended up closing down 48. Not exactly a sell off, but it was still disappointing. Um, I think what bothered me is we managed to get into quite a few positions today, and not many of them are any good. Uh, we did end up closing out positive over $5,000 in our closed out trades, and that was a um, somewhat of an improvement from what we had yesterday on the close. So we definitely improved in our closed out positions, but unfortunately we're carrying negative 3,300 going into tomorrow. So, yeah, we made a little money. Yeah, hey, maybe that 3,300 will get better. That's negative 3,300 will get a little bit better, but uh, we're kind of in a, we had that really good period for about 3 weeks, and we've gotten kind of into a thing now where the market doesn't quite know what it's doing. It's reacting to whispers and rumors about interest rates and everything else, and of course we're into a very hotly contested election year, and I think there's just some uncertainty here. You can see, 3 days ago we had this hideous thing where somebody emailed me and told me, all the shorts got knocked out in the morning, and then all the longs got knocked out in the afternoon, and nobody made any money, including us. Yesterday, things were a little bit better, but still not very great. And then, as I say, today you know, we we made some money on our exits, but lost it on the entry. So we'll have to wait and see. I don't want to sound like a broken record. I will again call the Dow up for tomorrow. I just think the odds favor it going up as opposed to down. Today we did have a negative Dow, but it certainly wasn't a sell-off. I'll show you what I can show you. This one I like. This is Tronix. The reason I like it, this is kind of the comeback stock for us. 3 days ago, I just screamed and yelled about this trade where we bought the high tick of the day and it went $3,000. It was actually $3,000 against us on the close. Yesterday, it started coming back and we managed to trim that loss to $1,300, but the thing kept going. I wish we'd just been able to hang on into it, but yeah, then we get re-entered here. Wasn't too sure about that, but we did have $1,000 on the close. Then this morning we got this beautiful open, nice gap up there, and that exit is darn near perfect. And we took over $3,000 out of Tronix. So Tronix redeemed itself. It made more in profit here than it lost back here on the trade 3 days ago that I was complaining about. I'll show you the big winner today, and the reason why we did not do as badly as we could have. This is JDST. Remember the last trade we had with this, we did pretty good, but not as good as we should have because they pulled a 10-to-1 negative split on us in the middle of the trade, which kind of threw things off. But anyway, JDST, this is inverse gold. Did pretty good. We bought this about the third hour or so, and it kept going very nicely. Did pull back just a little at the end, but we are still holding over $3,000 in inverse gold, so that looks pretty good. Anyway, not a terrible day, certainly. We did make a little bit of money, but I want to have a big day here. I really want to see it happen. Anyway, maybe tomorrow. We never know. This is Trader Bob signing off. See you tomorrow on Wednesday.